AIA Contract Documents is excited to introduce Catina Chat, providing resources and support at your fingertips while working within Catina to create projects and documents. To access the chat feature, simply click the red circle in the right-hand corner. If you are new to Catina, select one of our suggested resources to help you get started. Otherwise, simply type in a question or topic to receive support while working within the platform. For example, you could say something like how to finalize a document in Catina. The chat will quickly populate the best possible resource where you can find information, step-by-step guides, and even tutorial videos. The chat can even walk you through troubleshooting steps. For example, how to log in, providing quick and immediate guided support. You can choose the topic that best fits your concern and quickly access resources or steps to resolve the issue. If you're still having trouble or need additional assistance, the chat will connect you with a live agent, saving you time and allowing you to keep working as needed. Through this new chat function, instead of submitting a ticket to our customer support desk, you can now access the same resources available in our Help Center, all while continuing your progress in the platform.